Welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to see how to uninstall Firefox. To check whether Firefox is installed or not, just give Firefox command in the terminal and after some time it will open the GUI. Now if we go to the help and about Firefox, we can see that 120.0 version of Firefox is installed on the Ubuntu. In order to remove this Firefox, we need to first close the Firefox UI. Press Ctrl C in the terminal. We need to clear the terminal and we need to give the command sudo snap remove Firefox. This command will uninstall the Firefox from the Ubuntu. We need to also give the password. The uninstallation can take some time. After finishing uninstallation, Snap will show one message that Firefox is removed from the Ubuntu. To confirm the uninstallation of Firefox, give the Firefox command again. This time GUI of Firefox will not open. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.